In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab A11 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off adaptive brightness. First of all, go into settings and scroll a tiny bit to choose display. Over here. Now you need to manage this switcher next to adaptive brightness right under brightness slider to either turn it on or switch it off. Quick tip: if you decided to disable it, you should go into tab menu by swiping down from the top right corner and adjust it whenever you want to thanks to this slider. This way you can do it manually in a few seconds. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!